So it definitely needs a little bit more space here and here. Here mostly. Here, here it might be okay. No, because I have to make something to be able to get inside. There. So a hand must be able to get in. Looks to me it's possible. Now it's moving all together. So a little bit more space here and here. So now it looks like there is enough space all around so that I built something to start from here and get in there and cover a little bit all this around. So let's go measure. After all this time and effort, this machine is finally finished. I did so much work on this, and it's all seen on the previous videos. What I didn't show is that part here, which is the 8-track part. What I did, let me see if I can take this out. Okay, I 3D printed that thing here. I printed it in two parts. One part was the around and the other part was the bottom of it. As you can see, it's naked inside. And I 3D printed this because the original was missing. If you remember, that thing was covered here. It didn't have an opening. So I made an opening myself here for the 8-track to work. And it indeed works. I will demonstrate it later. Let's see this thing in its full glory. Everything is back in place. And I put an original AKAI reel here and an AKAI demonstration tape here just to make it look more vintage. And let's have a look.
AKAI tape recorder. Thank you for purchasing this AKAI tape recorder. And now we are going to give you a demonstration of the AKAI tape recorder, presenting the splendid sounds and wonderful music made possible by AKAI.
Unluckily, I don't have these real stoppers, so I made myself 3D printed ones that fit there. What I did is that I made a hole and inside I put a rubber pipe and glued it inside, and that's how I made this work.
And now, hi-fi stereophonic music featuring a Latin hit number entitled La Cucaracha.
I will stop this because I don't know if rights on YouTube will stop me. And now let's see something. Vicky Leandros, many of you know her, I guess. You see? Let me show you something more. If you remember that thing with the resistor, I was unlucky something on this machine, and this final amplifier valve, it's an, where is it? Anyway, it's a 6AR5 lamp, and you will not find a direct replacement for this. Luckily, after searching, I found out that the EL95 fits perfectly, but you have to cut off pin 7 on the EL95. So if you cut off pin 7 on the EL95, you can plug the EL95 directly and it will work. What I did is I took the original valve, which is the same from the bias circuit, and I put it on the final amplifier, which was where this valve was, and I put the EL95 on the bias circuit. And it works. This machine works perfectly. It records, it plays back. Sometimes with fast rewind, it has some problems. You see, it needs a little help with the fast rewind. Fast forward is fine, and it plays back fine. But if you put the tape out, let me show you, just like that, and you put it like that, then fast rewind works also, so not a big deal. That's all. This is the last video of this series. I'm happy that this finally works, and see you when I decide to start another project. Bye all.